Okay, so we have Goldman Sachs giving us a hint about what cryptocurrency platform they might be getting into some tremendous partnership with. Like I had earlier indicated in the previous videos on this channel, don't sell your XRP coins. These billionaires and elites want your money short. So while a handful of them would always leave a clue here and there for the adept crypto heads to catch up, a good number of them do not want you in the know, as they know what they stand to gain from your ignorance. But not just yet. We have got another leaked document to talk about. Do they say ignorance is bliss? Well, given the context of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, I don't think so. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also, you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Goldman Sachs got their eyes on several cryptocurrencies on the market. And here's what they look like. They've got XRP, Algo, Sol, DOT, ICP, Ethereum, all of these coins and many others on their radar. And just like I've always told you guys here on this channel, the same message the author of that tweet is sarcastically trying to relay: keep selling your coins for 50% off. Don't worry, you'll rebuy at the top. Following on to the link on that tweet, we have a PDF from Goldman Sachs titled "Digital Assets, Beauty is Not in the Eye of the Beholder." Scrolling a few pages down to the 17th page, where we have Exhibit 7 titled "Next Generation Decentralized Platforms." And as an excerpt, it says, blockchain technology has continued to evolve, and several high-impact innovations have been introduced. We can see what's up in the #1 spot. Under the public blockchain, we have Ripple. Under the description of the Ripple platform, it reads, "Payments-oriented blockchain, integrates with the banking system." If there's one thing we can be sure of, XRP is here to stay. But what we do not know is the extent of its growth rate in this bull cycle. Once again, we see that there would be a few other coins coming in this new financial market, but XRP will lead them, as the Ripple protocol would be at the heart of the new financial system. We have this from Ripple CTO David Schwartz: "If you want to make some asset liquid, you make it liquid to XRP, and then it's liquid to everything else with XRP." We also have another tweet from the CEO of Avanti Group, Caitlin Long, with the feds calling out Tether by name as a risk to financial stability, especially to the short-term credit market. This is happening for the first time in the history of this digital asset class. As you can see, we have these structures already in place. One of the most exciting parts about USD Tether is that about 1 year ago, there wasn't a lot of discussion around it. But now, news about it is all over the place. Now it's coming to the forefront. Following through to the link on that tweet, it reads, "Official Monetary and Financial Institutions Forum, Fed Week Financial Stability Session." If we are to scroll a little bit further down, it says here 5 takeaways from Boston Fed President Eric Rosengren's June 25th, 2021 remarks to the Official Monetary and Financial Institutions Forum. And further down below, at the excerpt section of the 5th takeaway point, it says, "Around the world, banking crises and financial stability periods are frequently tied to real estate." And so I think this bears watching as a potential side effect that policymakers have to be thinking about as we determine what appropriate monetary policy is going forward. Okay, moving on. There are some updates on the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission, as the commission went on to tender a motion claiming that XRP token holders were targeting its members on social media platforms with allegedly false statements. The most exciting part about this whole lawsuit is that they, the SEC, tried to go after Ripple in what's known to be an ill-conceived lawsuit, given they didn't seem to be prepared at all. Alas, what came about at the end of the day was their corruption getting exposed. Now, isn't that interesting? At the end of the day, this litigation can be likened to the true definition of karma. Or perhaps this is all in the show. And then we have this message from Jungle Inc. just recently on Twitter. Clayton and Hinman are upset with social media calling them out for criminal conduct that lined their pockets and caused billions of dollars in damages to retail investors. SEC, whose side are you on? Clean up your own house before you worry about us. Judge Sarah Nedburn received a request from the SEC for an audience where they could discuss the repression of the motion from Ripple to subpoena the commission's former director of the Division of Corporate Finance, William Hinman. The SEC had put forth an argument that the motion presented by Ripple would set a precedent that opens access for the company to further requests for the testimony of high-ranking officials within the financial arm of the U.S. government, a request that would interfere with government operations. But even amidst all of these adverse events with the SEC lawsuit and Ripple, XRP's price still managed to register some pretty remarkable improvements through the week. Once again, because of the improved market sentiment amid Bitcoin's comeback and the weakness in the US dollar. Now, back to the Ripple leak document, we have XRP Crypto Wolf saying Ripple welcomes new attorney to defend Chris Larsen in the XRP lawsuit. Similarly, we have James K. Filan, who's also pro-XRP, saying attorney Sarah J. Protzko has appeared in the case on behalf of Chris Larsen. Welcome to Team Ripple. He left a link to attorney Protzko's profile, which indicates that the magna cum laude graduate's best practices are centered around litigations. Just as Ripple signs in a new attorney into the case, the SEC is seen to be letting off a few. SEC attorney Dugan Bliss moves to withdraw from the case because he's leaving the employ of the SEC. What does this indicate? Does it mean that Ripple is making headway? Or is the SEC finding the lawsuit way too easy that it had to withdraw its most prominent counsel in the case? You tell me. This is intriguing, as Ripple has new attorneys coming in just as the SEC is letting off theirs. Because they know what's going to happen at the end of the day. So what do you guys think about that? Who do you think is most likely to win this case? Will it be Ripple or the SEC? Will it be a settlement based on fair notice, incurring a fine on the part of Ripple, or will the case be dropped entirely? Let us know what you guys think about that in the comment section below. We all know that the crypto space is an evolving one. Considering its volatility and all, we know that anything is possible in terms of price action. But then one thing is for sure. XRP's longevity has been solidified, as we can see in its long-established use case with industry-leading partners that cuts across corporations from the traditional to the present-day financial industry. Unlike the other more popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the pioneers of the Ripple project didn't build the platform to be run based on a decentralized modus operandi, as is expected of a typical cryptocurrency project. And that is why the CBDCs have fully endorsed it as the future bridge currency. Thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Remember, you can now support us on Patreon via the link in the description, and you can also join our free Discord group. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos before you head out, and as always, see you next time.
Hollywood Carson.